GSA Auctions, new year, new horizons. Join the jet set. GSA Auctions can take you into the wild blue yonder with the online sale of a 1980 Hawker Siddeley 700A aircraft. Visit gsaauctions.gov and see photos and all details of this Hawker 700A. But hurry, bidding on this twin-engine aircraft will end promptly at 12 noon Central Time, January 26, 2018. Wow, look at that private jet cabin. Join the jet set. But note, this sale requires a bid deposit of $10,000 in the form of a cashier's check or money order. GSA is holding this airplane auction on behalf of the U.S. Marshals Service. For more information, contact Tanya Dillard at 404-331-0535 or email tonyar.dillard@gsa.gov.